Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious drowned eggs. In case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need half a pound of longaniza or chorizo, eggs, 4 Roma tomatoes, chile serranos, chile de árbol, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 of an onion, a handful of cilantro, a half a teaspoon of oregano, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and salt. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by making our salsa. So we're going to place our tomatoes in our comal. And I just have it set on medium-high heat. And I'm also going to place my chile serrano and break down the onion. And we're just going to fully roast them. Alright, so your onion is going to be the first thing to finish roasting. So after it's nice and soft, we're going to transfer into our blender cup. And just continue roasting your tomatoes and chile serranos. Alright guys, so once our tomatoes and chile serranos are fully roasted, we're going to transfer them into the blender cup. And now we're just going to turn off our griddle, or our comal, and we're going to roast our garlic cloves and lightly toast our chile de árbol. So now the chile de árbol and the chile serrano is going to depend on how spicy you want it. So you can add, 1, 2, or 3. That's just going to be optional. So just be careful with your chile de árbol because they do heat up real quick. So you don't want to burn them too much because otherwise you're going to end up with a bitter sauce. So just like that, we're going to transfer them. Once they look like that, we're going to transfer them into the blender cup. And the garlic cloves, they should be fine just like that. Okay, so now we are ready to make our salsa. Alright, so in my blender cup, we're going to add our bunch of cilantro along with our spices. So I'm going to add the oregano and black pepper and salt. The salt is going to be up to your liking. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Alright, so we're just going to blend until we have a smooth salsa. Alright, so once we have our salsa, we are ready to fry it. Alright, so in a medium frying pan, I'm going to set it on medium-high heat. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. And once the heat's up, we're going to throw in our longaniza. Alright, so once the oil's hot, we're going to throw in our longaniza or chorizo. I'm just breaking it down like that. And now we're just going to cook it. So just break it down as well. So just make sure that you break your longaniza down completely. Alright guys, so after our longaniza has broken down into small pieces like that, now we're just going to fry it for about 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, we're going to add in our salsa. And I'm going to add half a cup of water into my blender cup. Shake it all, get everything. Now we're going to set it on low-medium heat. Just going to mix it all together. And once our salsa comes to a simmer, we're going to throw in our eggs. Alright guys, so after a few minutes, your salsa should come to a simmer. So now it's time to add our eggs. So the eggs, it depends on how much you want to add. I'm going to add 5. I'll crack your egg and throw it in. So now we're going to cover them and let them cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, our eggs should be fully cooked. So now we are ready to serve. And I'm just going to serve mine with beans. So grab your egg with all the delicious salsa. Let me tell you, that smells delicious. Just like that. So now I'm just going to garnish it and then we'll be ready to enjoy. Alright, so I'm just going to add some queso on top. and some cilantro. And with some avocado. And now, enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. There's my little egg. Seriously, super delicious. The longaniza with the sauce, everything, you guys, is perfect. This is like the perfect breakfast. And I mean, mine is a little spicy, just how I like it, so that's even perfection. But like I said, you can always add 1 to 2 chiles. It all depends on how spicy you want it. For me, this is perfect. Seriously, super delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make some delicious drowned eggs. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.